Hi guys, it's Fie here again. Today we're gonna do some fast but beautiful nail art, foil roses. I'm starting on a white base using the D3 with a black gel. You can use gel, shellac, gel polish, whatever you like. I'm painting the roses in a pattern. You can do the entire nail or just a pattern like me. Just paint whatever you like and then cure. Now taking the rainbow shimmer foil and centering 2 colors on each rose, I'm pressing down in the black gel we already cured. Clean up the sides, apply top coat, you can use shine or matte, whatever you like, cure and wipe. So this is what you get, cool rainbow roses. Thank you for watching guys, see you soon!